The fishing here in Mag Bay is diverse. We have a whole mangrove system. There's 150 miles worth of mangroves that we fly fish for species such as grouper, broomtail grouper, leopard grouper, spotted bay bass, orangemouth corvina, pompano, palmetto, many different types of species. Then you have an offshore fishery, which it's famous for its run of marlin, and that run of marlin occurs usually sometime between early October and early December. So October 15th to November 15th being kind of your prime time window. But again, the last couple of years it started earlier, and that is a run of marlin that's very, very unique. They're striped marlin for the most part, and for some reason that time of year there's just a massive marlin here that are on bait balls. If you're gonna catch a marlin on fly, Mag Bay in the fall is the place you want to try to do it. We also have species such as dorado and tuna and wahoo. It's a very unique and diverse fishery.